Hey, Intermediate Algebra. So this Khan Academy is called Interpret a Quadratic Graph. Basically, you're just looking at this graph right here, and you're interpreting the information from it, and you're supposed to pick all the answers over here that apply to it. So if we look at letter A, and really you got to go line by line, the largest possible number of mosquitoes is 2 million. Well, so if we follow that blue line, and we follow it to its highest point, because your Y value is your mosquitoes, really the largest possible number of mosquitoes is 4 million, so letter A does not work. Letter B, the largest possible value of mosquitoes is 4 million. Well, we just answered that one. That is a true statement. So we will click that one as an answer. And then, so we'll click that right now. And then, let's see, letter C, the more rainfall always relates to less mosquitoes. Well, after 2 million it does, but before 2 centimeters of rain, it actually equates to more mosquitoes. So that does not hold true at all times. And then letter D says the more rainfall relates to less mosquitoes as long as the rainfall is less than 2 meters. Well, actually, if you have rainfall less than 2 centimeters, the more rain you get, the more mosquitoes you get. So it's actually the opposite of letter D. So for the first one, our only answer is letter B, that our maximum was 4 million mosquitoes. Let's do one more. Simon has a certain length of fence. So here's his fencing right here. This is the width of the fence right here, and this is the area of the fence. So Y is area, and your x-axis is your width. So the greatest possible area is 10 meters squared. Well, actually, if you follow this up to the greatest area we ever get to is to 100. So letter B, the greatest possible area is 100, would be one answer. Letter C says the area is 0 when the width is 0. Well, so if you follow the width over here to 0, you'll notice that the area is also 0. So that is true. Letter C is true. And then letter D says the area is 0 when the width is about 20 meters. So if we follow the width over to about 20 right here, you'll notice that the area again is 0. So that is also true. So this one had 3 possible answers, B, C, and D. Basically, you're just figuring out which statements are true according to the graph. Shouldn't be too hard. Have a great day. Bye-bye.